Hello students, welcome to BITSAT forum. This is Brahmam, your reasoning faculty. Today our chapter is pattern perception. Okay, pattern perception. The other name of this chapter is figure completion. Suppose that there is a square box. In the square box, there are four parts. Okay, four quarter parts, and figures will be given in these three parts. In general, three parts. So one part will be left empty. Okay, we need to identify the pattern. We need to identify the pattern from the figures available, from the parts available. Suppose there is a line like this, line like this, line like this. So observing the lines in other parts, so it will complete this way. We can complete the line this way. Suppose there is an horizontal line like this, and like this. So it will be completed here and here as well, right? And suppose there is a letter, there is a circular cut here, here and here. The same circular cut must be there here as well. Okay, so this will be available and this box will be available in the options like this. So this figure will be our answer figure, correct? So complete the incomplete figure with a pattern available from the remaining three figures, from the remaining three parts. Going to the questions. Okay, this is the problem figure and these are the answer figures, and here also A, B, C, D, we can take them as options here because options are not mentioned separately. Sometimes options can be mentioned separately, this is figure A can be in option C and figure B can be in option A, likewise. So they can be jumbled, figure numbers can be jumbled. Yeah, let us complete this this figure. Because of this line, there must be a line like this. So that line is not available here and not available here, cancelled. Next, that line is available in these two, and there must be a triangle in the other corner. So there is a triangle in the other corner, and actually this triangle is deciding the answer here. Now observe the elements, and sometimes only one element can decide the answer. See here, there is only one element that is deciding the answer. That is option C. And no need to consider even this line also. Okay, next question. Yes, let us complete it. Circular shape must be there here, and circular shape is available, not available in this and not available in this, and there is a circular shape here, and circular shape is not connected to any straight line, but here circular shape is connected to another straight line. That cannot be. Answer is option C. Next one. Yes, there is a circle, quarter circle here. In every figure there is a quarter circle, that is okay. Next, there must be a square in the bottom corner. There is a square in every figure. Next, to complete this part there must be half curve here, and to complete this part there must be half curve here. So in our answer figure, bottom left there is a half curve and top right there is a half curve. Bottom left half curve and top right there is a half curve, and here it is not in the same location. This one is not in the same size, and these two also not in the same size. So the answer is figure C. Next one. So there must be a full circle, right? And there must be a completing square here, means a top left there must be a square shape. Square shape is not available in this. Square is there here and here also. There must be a diagonal this way, and there is no diagonal is missing here, and diagonal perpendicular line must be there, perpendicular bisector, so that will be available here. Here there is no diagonal perpendicular line, so answer is figure C. Next one. Yes, see this one. A diagonal line must be in our answer figure. Diagonal line must be like this. So in which figure a diagonal line is there? In this pattern, and that diagonal should cut the triangular this way. So the figure is A. Figure A is the answer, correct? Next one. Three lines are joining to the top left corner, bottom left corner, bottom right corner. That means three lines should join in the top right corner. Top right corner, three lines joining places in option B. So option B is the answer. Next question. Yes, two parallel lines like this. Two parallel lines are deciding the answer here. Option A is the answer. So two parallel lines not available, not available. Not. Next question. Plus shape is in the corner bottom right corner. There must be a plus shape. So bottom right corner there is a plus shape. In B, no. In C as well. Sorry. So this cannot be and this cannot be. And this can be and this can be. Let us check the remaining parameters also. See, this line is a shorter and this line is a longer one. Here this line is shorter and this line is longer one. But here both the lines are almost the same length. And one more parameter is this line, slant line, is cutting the horizontal line at some distance. But here it is very near and here is the distance maintained. So option B is the correct answer. So we should have a keen observation here, particularly in this question. This line is almost reaching the corner and there should be a gap. So that's why option B is the answer. Next question. A quarter circle part must be there. So quarter circle part is available in all the figures. Next, a diagonal line connecting that circle. Yes, diagonal line connecting that circle. Here circle, it is not connecting the circle, and here also, yes, it is connecting. Next, there must be a square shape here. Square shape is also available in all the figures. So here on the square, this diagonal and horizontal line should meet. On the square they should meet. Here horizontal line is not on the square, there it is not meeting on the square. Here also it is not meeting on the square. So it is the correct answer. Correct. Diagonal line, square shape and horizontal line should meet at the same point. Next question. Three parallel lines, correct, and not shaded. Three parallel lines with not shading. So except this figure and all the other figures are having the smaller triangular shape shading. So they cannot be the answer. Answer is option B. Next question. One dot, this side 3, this side 3. That means our answer should have one dot only this way. So one dot on this triangular shape. Yes, option A is the answer. Next question. Rhombus, shaded rhombus in opposite location. Plain rhombus means plain rhombus must be there in the opposite location. Plain rhombus, this corner can be this one, can be this one, can be this one. It cannot be. Option D cancelled. Next, triangle, shaded triangle, plain triangle. Plain triangle, it must be a shaded triangle. Shaded triangle on the top right. Top right shaded triangle is not there in this figure. Cancelled. Next, circle, shaded circle, plain circle. Shaded circle and plain circle must be there here. So here it is not the plain circle. This is also cancelled. Answer is figure C. Okay. Next question. Two horizontal lines and two vertical lines must be there. Correct. So two horizontal lines and two vertical lines, and they should form right side squares big and left side squares small. Right side big and left side small. So figure no. Along with that, we should consider this one also, no? Yes, that is also available here. So option A is the correct answer. Yes. And if you observe, B and D cannot be, but C is also nearest to the answer. But see, the problem is these lines are in the middle, exactly in the middle of the square box, total square box. But here the horizontal lines are not in the middle of the square box. This cannot be the answer. So option A is the correct answer. Next question. Top left, top right, bottom left, there are stars, and that means there must be a star in the bottom right. Bottom right, star, star, star. It cannot be. And there is no curved line in this. Cannot be. And there is no straight line in this. It cannot be. So the answer is figure C. Next. Okay, just by looking at the options you can say the answer here, because there is no shading here, no shading here, no shading here, but except one option, all the other are shaded. They cannot be the answers. Then next one, alternate shading must be there. Correct. Alternate shading means here there is a shading part, it should not be shaded, and this part must be shaded. So in this small square, upper part is shaded. Upper part shaded square, small square, is option C. Here the square is missing, horizontal line is missing. Next one, three parallel lines and then there is a square, and in the corner square corner, one side it is a quarter circle and another side a triangular shape. So 3 lines, there is a square, quarter circle and triangular shape. So option D is the correct answer. Either eliminate the options or identify the correct option. Next, this diagonal with a cut triangle, that diagonal should cut the triangle exactly in the half. So there is only one option in which the diagonal is cutting this triangle, that is option D. Next one. So vertical line, horizontal line and slant line must be there. Vertical line, horizontal line and slant line must be there, correct? So figure B is the correct answer. Next question. Total how many parallel lines? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 parallel lines must be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the answer. And the parallel lines must be slant. Okay, they cannot be horizontal. And here curved lines, curved lines. Next one. So there must be 4 parallel lines. 1, 2, 3. There must be 4 parallel lines. Yes, this figure is having 1, 2, 3, 4 parallel lines, 4 parallel lines. But here the pattern also we should see. This is an empty area, empty area, empty area. That means a bottom right must be an empty area. Bottom right empty area is available here, and there is no empty area. There is no empty area, and these two cannot be the answers. Next, among between A and D, we should decide our answer. Okay. See. Into mark extreme, then triangle, then circle. Inside innermost is circle. Innermost is circle, but here inverted triangle is there. Cannot be the answer. So our answer is option D. Next one. There is a complete square and with a diagonal like this. Complete square with a diagonal like this, and there is diagonal missing here, and the location is not correct here. And another diagonal part should touch the square. Another diagonal is missing here. So answer is figure C. Next one. Complete the square in this way using the diagonal line. Yes, diagonal line is available in all the figures. Okay. And there must be a perpendicular to a line perpendicular to it. So a line perpendicular to it, and till it touches the okay, but one more. Yes, next question. So there must be a line like this to complete the square. In every figure that line is available. Next, we can say there must be 2 curved part like this, and 3 lines should join here. Means 2 curved lines and 1 straight line. 2 curved lines and 1 straight line. But here 2 curved lines are missing. Here all are matching, but these parts are missing. This cannot be and this cannot be. Answer may be B or C. Let us decide one of them. There must be a perpendicular here in this corner. There must be a perpendicular, right? And these are extra lines used here. There are no such lines in the other parts. There are no such lines like this. So this cannot be the answer. Answer is figure C. Next one. So if you observe on the top side horizontally, circle this extreme and that extreme. Means left become right, and here right side part become left side, but maintaining the same side of arrow. Beta must be near to the center of the line, correct? Not an image. Okay, it is near to the line just. So beta is near to the line is available. It is available in only one figure, that is figure C. And there is no beta here, no beta here, no beta here. Answer is option. Next question. There is a band of a quarter circle, and that too shaded band. Shaded band is not available in figure A, cancelled. And there must be 2 stars in this segment. There is only 1 star here, cannot be, and there is no star here, cannot be. Answer is figure C. Okay. So practice more and more number of questions, right? We'll meet in the next class then. Thank you.